baked vegetable cannelloni. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana, and let's make a simple baked dish today. The name of the recipe is baked vegetable cannelloni. Let's quickly note down the ingredients. To make this recipe, we would require boiled lasagna sheets, white sauce, tomato sauce, grated processed cheese, fresh thyme, crushed black peppercorns, chopped garlic, green zucchini cut into batons, yellow zucchini cut into batons, grated mozzarella cheese, strips of yellow capsicum, strips of red capsicum, some asparagus pears, salt, oil. So let's begin with the recipe. We'll take a bowl and we'll place all the vegetables in the bowl. Finally, some asparagus. Now to this, we will add some crushed black peppercorn, some salt, garlic, and some fresh thyme. We'll add little bit of oil and mix. After the vegetables are mixed well with the marinade, we will set this aside for around 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 10 to 15 minutes, our vegetables are nicely marinated, and I've already heated a non-stick pan. Add all the vegetables. We don't need to add any oil since we have already added the oil in the marinade. So after adding the vegetables to the pan, we'll cook them till they are soft. So it's been 4 to 5 minutes. The vegetables are now cooked. Switch off the heat and we'll transfer the vegetables in a bowl. Now to this, we'll add some white sauce and a little bit of tomato sauce, salt, and just mix this. So stuffing for the cannelloni is now ready. We'll allow it to cool a little bit before we stuff it in the lasagna sheets. So stuffing for the cannelloni is now cooled down. Now we'll take a baking dish and spread the tomato sauce evenly on the base. So a base for the cannelloni is ready. Keep it aside. And here I have some blanched lasagna sheets. So we'll take them one by one, place it on the worktop, and we'll cut it into half. Take a portion of the lasagna sheet and we will place some stuffing on one side of the sheet. And now we will roll this tightly. So our cannelloni is now ready. We will arrange this in the baking dish, and similarly rest of the cannelloni. So we have arranged all the cannellonis in a baking dish. Now we'll top it up with some white sauce. And finally, we are going to top it up with some processed cheese and mozzarella cheese. And since we are going to bake this, we have already preheated the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. We'll place this on a baking tray and we'll bake this in the preheated oven for around 10 to 15 minutes or till the cheese on the top melts. So our baked vegetable cannelloni is ready. You can see nice golden specks on top of the cannelloni. We'll quickly garnish this with some fresh parsley. So our baked vegetable cannelloni is ready. It's refreshing, it's yummy, it's full of vegetables. I'm sure